Just came out of the thing for the first time. Oh my goodness, Bethy. Just made a little mess, but we'll fix it. Okay, so I got some. I always keep these little cotton buds that have the point and the flat end when I'm putting my makeup on, because right there I just really mushed it right into my skin. And then also did the same thing back here, so let's get that back off. These things, they're kind of one pass, but that's okay. At least you can get it back off. Okay, so let's try tipping these out a little bit with some goo, which we call mascara. I did it again. I did it twice. Okay, so this has got a lot on that little flat end that's just the goo. And so you're really going to need, you have to come on the bottom side to get that out. And I'm going to need this again, or a new one actually. You can see I went right onto the skin right there. We're just going to roll that. And under here, same thing. Did it there, and I did it there. Okay, now I'm going to tip these out again with that same goo. Because that's where you're getting the product on there, and then you comb it off. So you want to get it a nice thick formula on, and then make sure you comb it off really good, so it looks really pretty and not thick, gooped up. Now some people, I shouldn't say pretty, some people like a thick, gooped up look, and that is fine. If that's the look you like, then you do that. You do your mascara, you do your whole makeup however you want to do it. It's truly art. Makeup is artistry on the face, and it's an everyday thing. So you can change your mind. You can change it up whenever you want to. So that's the finished eye. It must not be waterproof. That's going to be my beef with it. It's got pluses and minuses not being waterproof. It'll be easier to get off. Huge smears everywhere when you're trying to take it off, but it'll come off easier. Just hope you have a really just use your Neutrogena wipes and it'll come right off. But it'll make a mess, a huge mess, like you'll need several. Whereas it takes a while to get the waterproof off, but it doesn't make a bunch of smearing like this will. But I can just tell in the way that this is not drying down, it is not waterproof. It's not drying down from when I put it on first. Like I said, it's pluses and minuses though. You have to put a lot more mascara on if you want a real lashy look, like almost false lash look. Some of you will be like, I don't want that look. Then you'd love this. Just do it one pass or maybe two, because that's 2 passes, y'all. And you really can't see the lashes coming up to in this range, which normally mine do. So that tells you it's not waterproof, because it's not drying. And if it's not drying fast enough, which waterproof does, that's how it works, then it's not going to hold that curl, because we just really did curl the stew out of my lashes. But it does look finished. It is very pretty. It's one of the prettiest bullets, or whatever you want to call it, cases, barrels, I've ever seen. It is the prettiest. I'm hoping just by pulling this back a little, you can really see how pretty it is. Or you can look online. I guarantee you she'll have it as a featured thing. I also noticed something else. I messed it up. One of the colors I got when I went to Walgreens matches this perfect. Perfect. Look at this. It is 250 Pink Sapphire from Sally Hansen's Pure line. That's the vegan. It's made of plants. And this would look great. And especially over this. I had, where is it? There it is. This is the Sally Hansen Gel 252 Rose and Shine. Like Rise and Shine, only Rose and Shine. And then I put that on top, on that nail right there. So there's the difference. But I mushed it. So there's a big dent. I'll have to fix that. But at least you can kind of see the matte version versus the shine over it version. And I think these two go fantastic together. And they go amazing with the look that I've got on. And honestly, this would look really, really good if I had on a different shirt. This is a nautical white and navy shirt. And in my night, actually, it's white and black. And I don't think that really goes with this look. I think it'd look better. I mean, I guess that's beachy, so it should, go. But I think what would go better is if you had some browns or creams. The warmer tones, I think, would go prettier than this with this. And my hair, y'all, has been in a ponytail because I went out in the scoot